welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another unboxing. So today I went to Coach Boutique for the 4th of July sale. So before I'm going to unbox this, let me say happy 4th of July America. Yay! So here's what I got today. I have it gift wrapped. I always ask them to gift wrap my purchase. So let's open it. Here it is. So let me reveal the Cassie 19. So this is my very first signature canvas from Coach. Wow, it's so lovely. So I was just looking around at the store, and most of my collections are made up of, the hardware is made up of brass and pewter hardware. So I was looking around, I saw this one, and this one actually is made up of, I think this one made up of like nickel. And yeah, it's like, yeah, silver. So I was just like thinking of like maybe I should add something like a silver hardware in my collection. And I think the color, this one is taupe, actually looks pretty good with the silver hardware. It actually looks really good, guys. It actually blends in well compared to the brass or gold. So okay, so this one is actually a Cassie 19. This one is a little bit smaller than the Cassies, than the regular Cassie. The most interesting part of this bag, it has 3 interchangeable straps. That's amazing, because most of the time, like when I buy purse, most of the time it just comes with the strap and that's it. But I know that Coach sell a lot of straps separately, but this one comes with 3 different straps. And let me just show you in a little bit. Let me just take off some of those wrapper in here. So I was able to remove all the stuffing. So like I mentioned earlier, the most interesting part about this purse is it has 3 interchangeable straps, and this is the first one, the top handle. So this one is completely removable. So if you don't want to use this one, you could take it off. So this is the first one. The next one is the light nickel chain. It's so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna show you a closer look of the chain itself. It is so beautiful. I'm just gonna have to put it against the taupe. Yeah, it is so lovely. I love the contrast between the chain and the taupe. Yeah, this is like the perfect hardware for this color, guys. It looks so lovely. So the third one is the shoulder strap, or you could use this one as a crossbody. And that is such an amazing straps that they put it in this bag. Yeah, I am just so excited how versatile this bag is. So yeah, you could just use the top handle, my favorite one, and just, you know, let the chain hang. So I'm probably gonna have to, yeah, just like that. It's beautiful. Just like that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I also like the signature canvas. My first signature canvas from Coach. Let me just show you the bottom side of it. Yeah, this one actually, yeah, it has a dent. That is so weird. Yeah, it already has a dent because this material is, this particular leather is made up of calf leather. So that is actually prone for scratches, dents, and everything. So yeah, that's the side. It's on the other side as well. And also, let's open it, guys. So this one has a turn lock closure. And on the inside, this one is rough. The fabric lining is a little rough, guys. So this one comes with the large compartment right here in the middle, and also right at the front. There's also, it's quite big enough, the compartment. And this one here, oh wow, I didn't know there's actually 3 compartments. And then one zip pocket in at the back here. Wow, I'm surprised. I thought there's only 2. So there's 1, 2, 3 at the back, and then this is actually the zip pocket right here. Wow, I'm surprised. This is amazing. Yes, so that's the turn lock closure right there. It's my favorite. And at the back, it has a slip pocket at the back. It's gorgeous. So I have my iPhone here just to show you a size comparison, just to give you an idea how this is for the size. So let's just put, yeah, this is for the size. So that, let me just look at the back. Maybe it'll show a little bit more. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my phone would fit in here at the back with no problem. Yeah, it's actually just slipping. So okay, take a look at inside. Let me put my phone. Yes, it fits perfectly right there. Yeah, it's so lovely. Gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's just like this, the straps. This 3 straps makes your money worth, guys. I mean, that's pretty amazing that they incorporate 3 straps on this bag. Yes. It's a perfect size. It comes with a lot of different colors, but this is the only one that I saw that has this nickel hardware, and I didn't have this one in my collection. So Cassie 19 is on the side of a compact purse. This is really compact. And I also have here my Willis 19 for the size comparison. Yeah, they're like almost the same size. On the side, yeah, obviously the Cassie 19 could fit a lot more. Yeah, it could fit a lot more than the Willis. And then the bottom, yeah, the height, it's just like almost like the same, guys. Almost. Yeah. But this one has a lot to offer than the Willis because of the lovely interchangeable straps. Yeah, it's beautiful. So you could just, however you want it. If you want to use the top handle, if you just want to use this chain, or if you want to use this crossbody leather strap, you could do that one. So you have a lot of options, and this is such a really nice compact purse. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And yeah, it's buttery smooth. That's really nice as well. So that's it for my unboxing for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!